Hi, welcome to Fratello InnoTech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. In this session, I am going to explain about that array update operators. So here in MongoDB, array update operators used to modify the elements inside array fields in the document. So such as adding and removing or updating the values without changing the entire array. So here some array update operators are there. So add to set and pop and pull and push. So add to set is used to add the distinct elements to an array. So here we are adding the distinct elements, and so when we are using pop, it removes the first and last elements of an array. So pull means it removes all elements from an array that match the query. So when you are using the push, so it adds an element to an array. So each and every operator has different purpose. So now I'm going to discuss that add to set. So add to set is used to add a value to an array. So if it does not already exist, so it prevents duplicate values in the array automatically. So if the value is already present, no change will be made to the document. So it works similar to mathematical set where all elements are unique. So commonly used when storing unique items like courses, like skills or tags. So in that type, we are using add to set. So look at the query here. So write a MongoDB query using add to set to add the course MongoDB to the courses area of the student for ID 101 in the student courses collection. So here, so see that look at the query. So db dot student courses is the collection name, and update one is update only one document. So here we are updating only one document. So you have to use the update one. So it updates only one document, and ID 101 finds the student with ID. So here it finds ID 101 in the students collection, and one more is add to set, adds a value only if it is not ready, so present. So and courses, MongoDB represents that add MongoDB to courses array. So now I'm going to add that course MongoDB for ID 101. So I have connected mongosh in command prompt. So you can also use the compass so to write the queries in that. We can also use a shell to write this code in that. So but shell, when we are using shell, it will not accept multiple lines of code at the same time, line by line. So here in the command prompt, so it will accept, this workspace will accept line by line code. So now I'm going to write that. So I'm checking that how many DBs in the DBs list. So here I have some DBs. I'm using students DB. So use students DB. So already we have in student DB. So use show collections. So it will show how many collections in the collection list. So show collections here. Students courses and students are two collections we have in the students DB. So just retrieve the data, read the data from the collection. db dot student courses. So for example, I'm taking students dot find. So see that here we have a subject, and so one more collection is there. So students courses db dot students dot find. So I have I'm connecting here. So I'm clearing the screen. So use studentdb. So in that I am retrieving that student courses, db.studentcourses.find. So here I have 3 documents in the student courses collection. Now I am adding MongoDB for ID 101. So db dot give the collection name student courses. So use update1 here. So here we have code. So for ID 101 we have to update that MongoDB. So ID 101 I am taking. So here you have to use the operator addToSet. And then so add the course into the courses list MongoDB. So courses, so I'm adding that MongoDB here for ID 101. Then close the flower brace and again close, then close the parenthesis. Enter. So see that it shows acknowledged true. So some modified count 1 and matched count 1. So just read the data. db.studentcourses.find. Then enter. See that? So that course MongoDB has added into courses list for ID 101. So in this way we are using addToSet in MongoDB. So remaining we'll discuss in next class.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.